Well, remember Genie 3 that got released a few days ago and crashed the gaming market? Well, now we have an open source variant. Yeah, the Chinese is fighting back. This one is called LingBot-World, and you might be able to run with your GPU, depending on which GPU you have. This is crazy. Let's see a few examples we have here. So like Genie 3, you give a prompt and it will generate an interactive video for you. It's based on 2.2. This is way higher quality than what we had before for world generation models. This is very realistic. Look at this. Look at the fish. Very natural movements. I guess I can see a little bit of morphing, but not much. The diver here looks pretty okay. And look at these textures. Very good. So you have some camera control, apparently. The realism can be very high. You can't do this with a regular video game, especially the interaction with the water. This is really hard to do in 3D. Snowboarding. This looks like a real footage. Then you can look away, look back. Alright, so this is interesting. We have some emerging capabilities. And for example, this dynamic off-screen memory. So the cat acts even when it's not observed. So you can see the camera goes back and then the cat will be sitting there. It can sustain a long video without degrading much. It also has some grounded physical constraints, so it has some physical understanding, even though this is not trained specifically into the model, but the video itself can understand that the cat cannot go through solid objects like this one, right? So it goes back. It deformed a little bit, but you got the idea. I'm gonna leave this page in the description in case you wanna see more examples. They have a lot of examples. Can you run this on your computer? Well, it depends. Right now, they have this version, which is a 4-bit quantized model, and they are saying that with a 5090, you can run this. But if you go here, somewhere here, you see the peak VRAM is between 20 to 25 gigabytes. So maybe, just maybe, you might be able to run this with a 4090 or maybe even with a 3090. And now we have some comparison between Genie 3 and this LingBot-World. And you can see it's not very far off. Maybe it's a little bit less sharp in some moments, but it's not bad. The movement itself is a little bit different. You can see the Genie 3, I think it's a little bit better. So the LingBot is using more the steering wheel here. Oh, it got some deformation. Genie 3 is good still. Alright, so that's enough. So very interesting because not very long ago you could not run any of these world models with a consumer GPU. It was impossible. But now you might be able to do it. Very interesting. So let me know what you think and see ya.